health, education and economy, agriculture, resources, transportation, technology and tourism. Lovely with a Heart Agenda. Ipinagpatuloy at mas pinaigting ng administrasyon ni Mayor Lovely Reynoso Puncioso ang programa sa pangkalahatang kalusugan ng mamamayang Tayabasin. Una, sa Lovely with a Heart Agenda ang health. Isa sa mga flagship projects on health, ang Mobile Health and Medical Emergency Response Team, Serbisyong Reynoso Caravan, kung saan inilalapit sa kabaranggayan ang health consultation, laboratory and diagnostic services, ultrasound, ECG at X-ray, namamahagi rin ng mga kaulang gamot at medical supplies. Nagsagawa din ng mobile dental services at mga off-site services ang City Social Welfare and Development Office, City Agriculture, Environment and Natural Resources, Civil Registry, City Library at City Veterinary. Inilunsad din ang SRMAP o Serbisyong Reynoso Medical Assistance Program, katuwang ang Tayabas Community Hospital at UniHealth Quezon Hospital and Medical Center para sa kagyat, mabilis at zero balance billing ng mga ordinary medical cases, laboratory and diagnostic services. Nasundan ito ng SRPRP o Serbisyong Reynoso Physical Rehabilitation Program para masigurado ang tuloy-tuloy na physical therapy sessions ng mga stroke survivors